So Garvee ended up gifting us this 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. Now this air conditioner is an 8,000 BTU air conditioner, and it does do up to 350 square feet. And they did provide a window kit. So that's going to make it super convenient for you to just be able to hook it right on up to the window and get that hot air pushed right outside. Now, being that this unit is a 3-in-1 unit, it does have an option for being the air conditioner cool, or you can set it up as a dehumidifier, allowing you to get all the moisture out of that room. Now, if you were going to go ahead and use this as a dehumidifier, you are going to have to hook this tube up to the machine so that way you can get rid of all of that moisture. Or you can simply use it as a fan. So you do have two different options. You have a low and a high. So this machine has a 300 airflow on it, and the unit itself will go from 61 degrees to 85 degrees. And with this type of airflow coming out of it, it'll surely get your room down to temperature. Either way, this is a very sleek looking unit. It is built very well. It does have handles on each side of the unit, making it super easy for you to just move it into another room, especially because it does have the rolling wheels at the bottom. Now, they did provide a remote control, but you can also utilize it here at the top because it does have an LED display. You can set the timer if you wanted to. You can set the timer for up to 24 hours. So lots of different options here. All in all, if you're looking for a portable air conditioner that also serves as a dehumidifier and a fan, you may want to consider this one. It really is a nice looking unit, built very well, and the fact that they provide the window kit is just an added bonus.